Well now, I think one of the things I can teach you is how to make potion bottles look beautiful and attractive like this one, see? Raven feathers. We all need raven feathers in our apothecary of spells, don't we?
Well, I'll be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Yes, it is. I'm testing out for a job. Not a date or anything. No. Anyway, what I did was I went onto the internet, the interwebs. Not where the spiders are, but the interwebs. And I found these wonderful printable labels. Now you have them in color or in black and white. So if you don't have a color printer, that's fine. You can just print it out in black and white. But for you, I got some colored ones there you can print out. Then the only other thing you need is some Mod Podge. And you're like, why Mod Podge? Mod Podge is wonderful because it's not just like a glue, it's a sealant. So I'm gonna spread some Mod Podge here. And then you can pick up whatever bottle you want. You have 3 bottles to choose from.
Oh, this looks interesting.
The amber bottle. Now I also have another video on how to tint your mason jars. So if you'd like to tint your mason jars into this amber color and you have a mason jar like this, it's very easy to tint. What is in there?
Some sort of potion.
Perhaps. Oh, some leftover potions. Well, this was a pickle jar. You know, still smells like pickles. So I'm gonna pick my label. What I do when I print out in black and white is to age my paper, I usually get a little bit of coffee or tea and you just color the paper and it kind of ages it also because it makes it all wet and mushy.
I see.
But see with this one, because it's so plain, I'm just gonna do this. Kids, don't do this alone. Ooh, that smells horrible, but it's cool because it ages. That's what I did to this one. If you notice the edges, they're all like burnt. Am I still on fire? Does that happen to you a lot?
Not very often.
Not very often. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more side so we don't all like... Look, it's all done. All right, ready?
Yes, I've selected this.
Oh, tonsil stones.
Tonsil stones.
I like that, and it looks very pretty. So go ahead, you can get a brush, a bristly brush. Which one do you prefer, sponge or bristles?
I'll take a sponge.
You take a sponge.
And dab it in this.
Dab it in that, and then dab it onto the bottle.
Onto the bottle?
Yes. Well, whatever you prefer.
No, this will be fine.
Yeah,
Set
because
bottle, I'll do it on the bottle.
Yeah, because if it goes over, it's all right. Okay, ready? Now let's slap these puppies on. Now, take a little more, and you dab it on the edge and on the whole thing, because that way it seals it. Now another fun thing, I'm gonna do another small one. Now, children, do not do this on your own. Parents, just be careful if you let your children do this on their own. So, what we're going to do, so we're just gonna melt. So usually it's when it's dry, and if you melt the wax, it just looks like a messy apothecary jar. Like, oh, this has been used. You get the general idea, you get the gist of it. That's my favorite saying.
It's quite excellent.
Right, it does, doesn't it? It looks really cool once it's dry. And then you have this one. So next we're going to show you how to do some glittery potions in some small little bottles. Most people don't know how to do that. So
That's more my speed.
yes, glitter.
Glitter.
You do glitter?
I do.
I'm impressed. I think I found the man of my dreams.
Quite possibly.
Ooh.